Hi, my name's Sally Hurst. I'm a full-time artist and teacher. I live in the UK, but as most of us, I'm not able to run my workshops or even use my studio at the moment, so I'm using a small studio I've got here at home. I've decided to venture into this whole world of online teaching because so many people have asked me to, and also it seems to be the next stage. I need to teach. I like to teach. I want to share my knowledge with you. I'm going to start with a series of 5 40-minute sessions in oil and cold wax painting, but there'll be others. I'm also a printmaker, so I'm going to do some mono printing, some making artist books, and anything else that you can think of that you want me to teach. These first 5 sessions will be free to view for a limited period, and I'm packing a lot in. So I was going to do them live stream, but actually these first ones I'm pre-recording, but they're going to go live to you on Facebook and YouTube at 3 o'clock on Fridays and Tuesdays. 5 sessions. Once I get the technology sorted out, I'll do more live streaming, and I'll do lots of quick short things just for the fun of it, just to keep me and you busy. If you need to know anything more about it, head over to my website. Here's the link. There's lots of information there. There's a kit list, all sorts of stuff. So I'll see you at 3 o'clock this Friday. Take care and please stay safe.